Airbus Defence and Space Geointelligence is in a very strong growth phase. We have grown in the last 3 years for about 10% per year, and this year it will be more than 20%. So we are very happy about this development, and we have cemented our position within Airbus Group and in particular within Airbus Defence and Space. Major projects, of course, we are very keen to develop WorldDAM. This will be a very crucial year for WorldDAM in 2015. I can say that we doubled our reseller business in the last 18 months, which is excellent news. And I think on our direct receiving station business we did very well, in particular in 2015, where we sold more than 12 direct receiving stations. In particular our multi-mission direct receiving station, which means TerraStar X, Spot 6, Spot 7 and Pléiades. This direct receiving station was a very good bestseller in the market. Last but not least, the OneWeb, which has been realized by Airbus Defence and Space, is a good example how old space can work with new space. I think it's definitely a better resolution, improved accuracies, faster access to imagery, and of course always larger volumes of data to handle. So the resolution is an important criteria, but it's definitely not the only one. I think it's very important how fresh we bring the data to our customer. I do not want to enter in this debate what means free. Is it free for the taxpayer or not? A good example is Copernicus, which full sub-meter data coverage of Europe is being acquired as we speak, with a major contribution of Pléiades data. It can trigger a bigger demand for fresher data, for data with higher resolution, and I think this is an opportunity for us. Well, we will definitely differentiate in the market because we have optical and SAR satellites. We definitely differentiate us from the other players because we are fully integrated between the hardware part of satellites and the service part, and we definitely differentiate ourselves within a wider portfolio within Airbus Defence and Space. We definitely intend to go beyond satellites by becoming a more sensor agnostic player. And we definitely see hubs and UAVs not as an inhibitor, but more than an enabler of our future business. Leveraging other platforms within Airbus Defence and Space is definitely part of our wider strategy, and it's our path to grow. A lot of new exciting players coming up. I think we are following and we are monitoring this very seriously. Complacency breeds failure, so we take all of these initiatives very seriously. I think they have brought something new to the market, which is mainly about the financing models, which are in terms of funding, which are very interesting for us. So far, we have not seen very big revenue streams coming out of it, but again, we are very open also to work with these new players and see how we can cooperate or compete with them. I think there are many exciting new constellations coming up. We will see which of these constellations will survive. Airbus is a big success of cooperation, so we definitely have the right DNA to cooperate with these new players. And I think what Airbus Defence and Space has done with OneWeb, it's a good example that new space can cooperate with old space and vice versa. We are monitoring these events very closely. We regard this as a natural phase of development, and we see that this is a good sign for the market. Euroconsult is always a good opportunity to meet in a very compact frame different players, all customer and all the different competitors and partners. So it's a very good formula to meet and to come here within these 2 days. Regarding the discussions, takeaway is definitely that we are in very exciting times today. Things are moving very fast, and I think from year to year we will see the progress in our industry. It's a very tough competition, and we're excited to be part of it.